channel, guys. Today I'm going to do my first unboxing video and I have no experience, so comment what I did wrong. Today I'm going to be unboxing a pack of Pokemon cards that I got for my birthday. It costed $2 and today we're going to unbox it. Let's see. Okay, let's see the cards. I got a Pawmi EX, a Pawmi, another Pawmi, a Pawmo, another Pawmo. I got a Magnemite, a Voltrobe, another Voltrobe, Electrode. What did I get? I got a Pincurchin. I got an Audino. I got an item. I got a Crush Hammer. I got a Great Ball. I got a Nest Ball. I got a Squitch Pokemon. And I got a Pokemon Catcher.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, I'm just opening. Oh yeah, here's my sister.
Okay, good
I
luck.
got another trainer. I got
I guess.
Demona. I got another Demona. I got Energy. And Energy Orb. And I got so many Energy Orb. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.